What's up, guys? It's Ash with Ash Me Anything, and today I'm gonna have to admit that I was wrong. Um, well, not really wrong. I was right about the quality of these shoes being pretty horrendous out of the box, but I was planning on going to return them, but I decided to look at how the pricing is going since last night's Raptors game, and needless to say, it has shot up big time. So I'm just going through the sales history of them, and just about every single size has gone up. When I checked like 2 days ago, size sevens were going for like 230, and looking back on it now, sizes are selling for around the minimum of 250, 260. So there's profit there for sure. People were selling them for margins that they definitely weren't profiting for a hot minute. So they're definitely jumping up now. So going through the pricing, as you can see, the sevens going for around 340. So after payout, you're getting, $60, $70 in profit. So it's good numbers right there. And a lot of them are selling. And the greatest thing about the size 7 in these was the original Raptors were only made in size 8 and up. So these sevens are definitely going to shoot up, especially if the Raptors win the championship. So yeah, definitely hold them until at least Monday, because it could potentially be the Raptors' victory right there, and these things will definitely go up in pricing. My prediction is around 450 to 500 at minimum, but could be wrong. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Raptors, not the non-OVO versions. Pricing on these has also gone up pretty drastically. As you can see, size 8 lowest ask is a ridiculous amount of like 400 plus, and people are paying it. That's the thing. Last sale 440 for the size 9, size 8.5 last sale 420, and then 450 for the size 8. And like I said, they don't have size 7s in these, so within a matter of time the size 7s are going to go crazy in pricing. So if you do have the smaller sizes, for sure hold them until at least Monday. I mean, if they win right there, you got a lot of money, but there's still plenty of games left to see how it turns out. I mean, overall, they're basically the same shoe too at the end of the day. It's just a matter of the Drake signature. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below, and please like and subscribe.